Hey, welcome back. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, it's Paul Motley here again with another daily podcast for you guys. And after a couple of interviews, I'm back here solo, so you'll have to bear with me. I want to talk about how important it is to have an email list, but how vital it is also to have an email list of buyers, right? There's very distinct differences between that. With an email list, people have opted in for something or somehow. With a buyer's list, they've bought something, right? So they're already proven that they want to invest in themselves to actually enhance their own lives or business or whatever it is. So what does that tell you? Well, you might get varying qualities when it comes to a standard email list, right? There could be freebie seekers, there could be tie kickers, there could be people that are just opportunists, or they just love collecting free stuff and they never actually take much action. They might not even bother opening your emails as well. So, of course, that's not going to help you going forward if you've got people which just aren't opening your emails. However, with a buyer's email list, they're already vested, interested in what you've got to offer. And so I want to talk about a few ways that you can actually get yourself a buyer's list. And two of them are kind of like you're sort of almost borrowing a little bit. Right, so let's go for one that's really basic to start with, okay? If you have your own product to sell, right? So let's say, for example, you have decided to put a training on, something like that. You can, if it's your very first time launching anything, make it super low ticket. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can collect quite a number of buyers by doing that. If you make it like 97, 200, 500, 2,000, whatever it is, you're going to get a much smaller amount of people onto your buyers list. But if you make it just like $7 or $10 or $27 or a smaller amount, you are going to get higher volume, okay? And this is the point that we want to get to. We want a high engaged, truly focused buyers email list. And if you can grow that email list of buyers, it's going to be probably 10 times more valuable to you than just having a standard email list. I can guarantee it. It's almost like a crazy maths thing, but if you think, and when we've been taught before, people always say for every subscriber you've got, you should be earning $1 a month, right? So if you've got 100 people on your email list, you should be earning $100 a month. If you've got $500 a month, $10,000 a month, right? So that's kind of like the maths which goes with that. But with a buyer's email list, I would say you're going to be getting $3, $5, maybe even $10 per subscriber. This is on average, right, for a buyer's email list, which is why it's so important to try and grow one. So we talked about a little bit on how you can get one through your own work by doing this sort of thing, right? Another way is you can actually go to people which are launching things and let them know that you have a bonus that they can include as part of their launch, right? There's not a lot of people do this, but you can do that because it adds value to their program. You offer it as a free access, but in order to get hold of that particular bonus, they have to go through your squeeze page. So they're buying initially off the first person who has put a program together or a coaching course or whatever it is, and then you're offering that out as a bonus. So you know every single person that opts into that email list have purchased something. It doesn't necessarily mean it's from you or it's not for an affiliate link of yours, but it is something and you are getting that email address, right? So super cool. Another way as well is I am part of a number of different affiliate programs that when I make an affiliate sale, I get, full details. So I know the name, I know the email address of the purchaser, and of course I can then build an email list of purchasers that way as well. And in some cases, when they're high ticket, I've got one email list which was all people that spent at least $1,000, and I've got like a list of 60 of them. So that's pretty cool, right? So that's something to consider there as well, is check your stats on your affiliate programs to see whether or not you get actual details about the people which bought through your link, right? And another way to do it is, if you are selling on like JVZoo or Warrior Plus, for example, right, and you are offering out those affiliate products, I know specifically on Warrior Plus, you can give Warrior Plus a bonus URL so that people can go ahead and collect bonuses from you if they buy an affiliate product, which you will be pushing and you'll be promoting to your existing email list, organic, paid traffic, whatever you want to do. But of course, then again, we want a squeeze page for people to get those bonuses. So you know that every single person which gets that bonus is going to already have purchased something. Do you see how it works? Right? It is super hyper important. You can hear dogs in the background. I do apologize. Barking away. Wait, pack it in. They can't hear me. They're just barking at things. So yeah, having a buyer's email list is so important, and it's one of the things you should put in the back of your mind right now. So even if you're just starting out, or you've only just like got an email list, maybe 20, 30, 40, 100 people or anything like that, bear it in your mind right now that you should also focus on a buyer's email list. So anyway, that is it from me tonight. I'll be back again tomorrow with another daily podcast, and I wish you well for the rest of your day.